If you're looking for a powerful and completely free screen capture tool, ShareX is one of the best options available for Windows. It lets you take screenshots, record your screen, share files, and automate your workflow with tons of built-in features. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to install ShareX on your Windows computer. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official ShareX website. From the home page, click the Download button. You can choose the installer from the official website or install ShareX through the Microsoft Store if you prefer. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the ShareX installer. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. Now follow the installation wizard. Read and accept the license agreement, choose the installation location if you'd like to change it, and click Install. Yeah, the installation usually takes less than a minute on most computers. After the installation is complete, leave the option to launch ShareX checked, then click Finish. ShareX will open automatically, and you may also see its icon appear in the Windows system tray. When ShareX opens for the first time, take a moment to explore the interface. You can configure hotkeys, choose where screenshots are saved, and customize upload destinations later through the application settings. For now, the default configuration is perfectly fine for most users. Finally, test ShareX by taking a quick screenshot. Select one of the capture options and verify that the image is saved successfully. If everything works as expected, you're ready to start using ShareX for screenshots, screen recording, and much more. And that's how to install ShareX on Windows. The setup only takes a few minutes, and once it's installed, you'll have access to one of the most feature-rich free screen capture tools available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.